Another Dodge Ram TRX truck just got traded in. 22,000 miles, immaculate. It's on our website for $89,000. We ship these vehicles all across the United States. Don't pay $20,000 to $40,000 over sticker like brand new vehicles are selling for. These TRX trucks are sought after. The vehicle is ceramic coated. The ceramic coating that we use, I'll put a link in the description below. It's like $40 for a gallon. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to install. It's a ceramic detail spray. This just came out of detail. Clean as can be. If you want to see another video, I'll link it below to an actual full walk.